This is day 846, and we're making pancakes. No surprise here. Got this mixing bowl. Kodiak dark chocolate power cakes. Rake drawn open. How much do you put in there? I don't know. How many pancakes do you want? Just pour some. If you don't have enough batter, then you just add more later and add more water later. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. I've got one. Get a nice drizzle. Mix it slowly. Slowly. You don't want to rush things, because good things come to those who wait. More applicable here, good pancakes come to those who take the time to make them. These lumps in here, all these, maybe you can see a couple. The lumps are like little chocolate pieces. So, yeah. Make sure, do we have a spatula? There's a lesson, folks. Keep your pancake spatulas reserved for pancakes only, because you can reuse that spatula every day and clean it very easily, because there's nothing gets stuck to the spatula. There's no eggs or anything to, I don't know, just keep a special pancake spatula. You're better off doing it. We have our chocolates.
It's like a turtle kind of.
Alright, here we go. Alright, there's my pancakes poured up. Now we need to put the chocolates in them for chocolate's sake. Basically like chocolate chips, except they're not chocolate chips. They're these things.
Stars.
Chocolate stars inside chocolate pancakes. Which there's gonna be chocolate on top. It's gonna taste good. Alright, now wash your hands real quick. Got a pink towel over here. It's what a woman's touch does to your kitchen. So it's alright though. It's alright. Alright. Pancake's already done because we took forever trying to put the chocolate in there. Flip. Boom. Bam. Yup. They don't need long to cook, so eat our plate. And they're about ready. Our chocolate's here. We got our chocolate here, chocolate topping, sugar-free. Try to always get sugar-free because it's just, sometimes it gets too sugary for me. Like the chocolate's in there, sugar enough for the pancakes, because the pancakes don't have very much sugar. So I keep it sugar-free for the chocolate topping or anything else I use. You stack them up. Good tip here is get your bigger pancakes in the bottom, smaller pancakes in the top. That way the pancakes more structurally stable, and yeah, it just looks better. Now we gotta line them up here. Make sure the stack looks intentional. Looks good. Just gonna have to use your eye, because after all, this is pancake art, and you have to give your own flair to the pancakes. You know, some people might even throw them off sideways and stuff. I'm not gonna do that, but that looks good. If you look at that, bah, bah, bah. Beautiful. All right, now I need my phone because I do videos and stuff for Instagram. I want some of these broken up on top. I think that's gonna look good. This gives it a look. If I'm really taking time, I might shave these up, so it's just like a lot of chocolate shavings on there, and that would look good. But I'm just gonna do this, and it'll give me a pretty good effect just by doing it like that. So once I got that set up, I take and make sure everything's in frame for the square video that I'll be. Now I see here, it's sticking out a little bit like that, and I don't like the look of that. So I'm just gonna give it a little rotation, and that's gonna fix it just like that. And we're set. Pull it a little bit forward to get a little bit more in frame. And grab the chocolate. And we're gonna get it to the bottom. Click record, and we just go for it. Yeah, you just get her all over there. I like to do little lines rather than kind of like cover the whole top of the chocolate. This looks better, and you get to watch it kind of drizzle down. I think it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna do one more thing here. A little bit of the chocolate on top. And I think that looks good. Finalize up the Instagram video. Cut it. Take our square photo. Just like that. Go to Snapchat. Take our picture there, save it. Go like that. Go back to our video. Now we need the fork. So I don't like to waste dishes, so I'll just come back, clean this one up. Having a little trouble with the paper towels. Got one. It's alright. A lot of times it's not like this. Sometimes you'll have stuff stacked and it'll be very precariously set, and you need to do things kind of fast in order to get the shot. So sometimes it's stressful, but here it's alright. Now we're gonna do the cut through. Look at that. Dig right in, as if someone were to take that monster bite. And you just rotate it so you can see the insides. See how moist it is. See how chocolatey. See how delicious it is up close and in person. You like that? See the pancake? And the recording. very chocolatey. See, the chocolates inside, they melted. Makes it taste really good. It's pretty good. I don't know what I would rate it. It's good. So that's the pancake. Subscribe to the YouTube. Follow me on Instagram to see the up close and personal pancake videos and pictures, because I do this every day. I'm gonna post videos every day. So watch out for that. Videos every day, pancakes every day. LG.